Welcome to CCMD 2026. CCMD, China CNC Machine Tool Fair. It is the biggest exhibition of CNC machines each year in China. In this year's CCMD, SmartBee showing many new products in our booth. Now come with me. This is a SmartBee Model X for cutting tools management. This is a 1+1 configuration. In this solution, we are standard configured with elevator inside to protect each small and fragile tool, and with one screen here with our camera can do the face recognition. Users can get new tools from this part. After use, they can return it by the side. So this machine can provide a closed loop management for the cutting tools. This module is TW68. In each box, under the box, we have an inbuilt gravity sensor. The precision can go to 0.1 gram. So it can be used for expensive and critical small stuff management. Come with me. This module, SmartBee Pro, also used for cutting tools management, but it configured with the extension cabinet with 108 boxes, which can be used for big size tool management. So, and this module Pro is most popular in China because it's very cost effective. SmartBee CNC tool runout tester, which is used for CNC machine factories. Before they install the tool holder with tool into the CNC machine, they need our CNC tool runout tester for their measurement. What is its advantage? Inbuilt, we have a standard spindle. It's a real spindle, so it can guarantee the precision. And compare with the solution before, we don't need to install the tool, then test if it's NG, then we disassemble it, reinstall it. No, now with this machine in the tool room, you just need to test it in very short time. If it is okay, then put it into the machine. Very fast and high precision. The precision can go to 5 micron. Okay. SmartBee Orbix. This is also a new machine with showing in an exhibition in first time. In this Orbix, it can manage 936 different types tools in one machine. Come, I show you. So inside we have a drum type rotator with customer DIY grips. Okay, we provide those plate. The customer can configure it according to their different size tools. Okay, when customer select which tool they want, the rotator will choose the shortcut, run into the door, open it. Then they can take out whatever they want. Also they can return the tool they borrowed from the cabinet. By the side, we have 32. We have 32 boxes, which can be used for returning, also for big size tools return and save. In this two screen, we are showing SmartBee's software solution for factories work order management. What is its advantage? See here, we are showing the real-time data we automatically collect from each CNC machine. Okay, from it we can see what is the program running and what is the parameters of each program. With this auto-collected data, we can automatically report the production of each work order here. So you can see the process of each work order. I want to tell you, all the process is not reported by hand. It is reported automatically by the system. Okay, this is advantage. With this solution, the factory can tremendously increase their OEE, as well as they can directly get the progress of their work order. It's very important. Here we have another two new products. This one is used for workshop or big companies material transfer or temporary storage. Like here we have a very simple panel on the screen. Also we have the camera. Here we have the scanner. If the process is I take charge for the previous process. After I finish, I just save it in this box. Then the next process, people can come here and take it out. Very easy. This one we call it SmartBee DIY cabinet. What is the advantage? If you have a small size product, you can use one grid, one box. If you have a bigger one, you can combine these two together, or this three together, or this four together. So we provide a very flexible solution for all the factories. With our solution, they can define their own size cabinet to match their flexible and different requirement on product management. So I introduced most of the new product of SmartBee. If you have any interest on our product, please search on Google SmartBee box and contact with us. Get the latest solution. Thank you.